In this video, we will analyze the steps of the ELVIAL Window.ID process. Data export via ELVIAL Pro is carried out within the project by navigating to the Interfaces section and selecting Window.ID Export. Along with the window data, specific printouts are automatically exported as well. These printouts can be selected based on each user's needs through the additional settings in the program's general menu. In the ELVIAL WebFrame portal, data extraction is performed simply by selecting the Window ID icon at the top right of the screen. Next, a compressed file is downloaded, which must be unzipped into the XML folder as shown here. Then, you can immediately run the ELVIAL Window.ID importer application from your desktop, or wait up to 5 minutes for it to execute automatically. The matching of the window with the ELVIAL Window.ID tag is performed through the ELVIAL Window.ID Matcher application. At this stage, the previously exported project data has already been transferred to this application. From now on, the required process is the same, regardless of the software used in the previous steps. Next, we select the second section from the menu. At this point, the projects with pending matching are displayed. For the desired project, we select the green icon to proceed with printing the QR codes for each window. Once the printing of the file is complete, we return to the application's homepage and select First Station. Here, we start the matching process. First, we scan the QR code from the document we just printed. Next, we scan the QR code from the ELVIAL Window.ID tag. Upon completion of this process, the matching for this specific window has been successfully carried out, and the tag is now ready to be placed on the profile. ELVIAL Window.ID Dashboard is the main management page for all projects. Access is restricted to the manufacturer using his credentials. By opening the project we matched earlier, we can see a more detailed project overview. From here, you have the option to accept the window either in bulk or individually, confirming that the installation has been completed. You can submit a repair or maintenance work for the window if necessary. Documents for the selected window are available here. Documents of this project can be seen from here. Currently, all files are located in the Landing Page Documents section and are visible to the end customer. In contrast, the Position Documents is intended exclusively for internal use. By selecting the arrow in the Action column, you can move a file to the section above and specify which windows each file applies to. At the same time, there is the option to add documents manually. Finally, by selecting Landing Page, we are redirected to the landing page, where we can see exactly what will be displayed to the end customer upon scanning the ELVIAL Window.ID tag. Through the dashboard, you have the option to create a dealer profile. This allows the manufacturer to set up a separate profile for their partner who trades ready-made windows. The now activated dealer has his own dashboard page to manage his projects, as well as his own personalized landing page. The first step to use the application on a mobile phone or tablet is creating a user account. Once the account setup is complete, you can log into the application. Within the application, you can locate a window in 3 ways: by directly scanning the QR code, by entering the code manually, or by selecting it from the project list. After locating the desired window, the same options previously shown on the dashboard become available. By selecting to accept the window, a questionnaire automatically opens to be completed. In this form, you have the option to add files, such as a photograph of the installed window. The process is completed with the digital signatures of both the installer and the end customer, certifying proper delivery. Afterwards, the report can be saved and sent directly to the customer's email.